Hello friends, and welcome back to the car. We haven't done this in a while. I don't think I have filmed a car video since moving to New Jersey, for good reason, because driving in New Jersey is mildly ridiculous. I almost got T-boned already this morning, just within 2 minutes of leaving the house, so that's lovely. But I'm driving to work today, and I figured I'll just hop on here and film a quick video just to give you guys an update of what's going on and where I'm at with, you know, a few things pertaining to my channel and reselling and such. And why is this person driving so slowly? So, sorry, I have things hanging in my car. I wanted to give you an update of where I am with my little mini series of trying to pay for my kids' summer camp with my reselling income, and today's video is not going to be like a what sold where I go over my latest sales and where I'm at with that goal. It's just, that's part of the reason why I wanted to hop on here and just film a quick video in the car. I've just not been in a great mindset to just sit down and film a video. I have a few ideas, I have a few things I want to film. I have unboxings that I want to film, some of which should be really, really fun because they're not your usual, you know, hauls or thread-up boxes or whatever. But when you're not in the right mindset to film like a light-hearted, fun video, it's really hard to do, and I really haven't felt like that in a while. July has been a really rough month, honestly. I was sick for quite some time, and I usually don't get sick, but when I do get sick, I get really sick. So that's what happened, and then I felt better, and it was my kid's birthday. I was busy with that, planning the party, etc., etc. And then I got food poisoning, like right after. Not at the party, but right after the party. So it's been rough. Like, July sucked. It also sucked for sales. So just to give you a quick update, as of I think 2 days ago on the 27th, I did finally reach my goal of paying for summer camp with my reselling income. I don't know if I'm going to film like a what sold where I actually go over the items that I sold in that last week and a half time frame that I haven't covered yet. I just haven't really felt inspired to do that. I've been really tired. Usually I film my videos after my kiddo goes to bed, and I've just been so tired and just been vegetating on the couch. I haven't really been listing much, but I do try to do that, and I will prioritize that over filming a video. I'm sorry for all of this. Oh my god, my kid insisted that I put this little tree in my vehicle, and now it's just all over the place. Here we go. So anyway, all this to say that I think I'm going to take just like a little bit of a break, not like a whole, I'm going to disappear from YouTube and then I'm going to film a video called Where I've Been. You know, we're not going to do all that. It's tacky. But I think I'm taking a week or two off from filming, and with that, posting, uploading new content, new videos, and then hopefully I'll feel a little bit better about just sitting down and knocking out a few videos. Who knows, I might feel inspired tonight and film one, but I just need to take a little bit of time to take care of myself, take care of a few other things, take care of my business, honestly, too. So YouTube is just the one thing that I feel okay with it taking a backseat for a little bit and taking a little bit of time away from that. So I don't flatter myself to think that everybody who watches my channel, you know, here and there, is sitting there waiting for me to put out a new video. But if you enjoy my content, and if you've kind of gotten used to seeing a new video pretty much every day, I just wanted to hop on here and let you know that that's likely not going to happen this and next week, and maybe the week after that. So just to be fully transparent, and I don't, want anyone to worry. Like, there's nothing major going on. Like, nobody is, sick or well, I was sick, but like nobody has like a new illness or anything else that's going on. It's just, I'm drained, y'all. I'm exhausted. I've had a lot of life changes in these past 6 months. And I think my channel has changed a little bit with that, and I'm not always happy with it, but it's inevitable. If your life changes, your channel, kind of has to change with it a little bit. My life has changed, my business has changed, and I just need to figure out where I'm at, what I want to do, and how am I going to tackle reviving my business, really. The fact that sales have been so slow has definitely affected me in that whenever that's the case, I kind of feel uninspired to film reselling content because I just feel like I'm not selling much, there's not much happening, it's depressing, it's sad, and I understand that showing that side of it is important too. I just don't feel like sitting down and, putting a camera in my face when I'm already not in a good sort of headspace. So I don't know. It's one part of it. There's other aspects, there's other reasons, but overall, I'm just trying to take care of myself and take a step back, and hopefully be back with some good content and some new fresh ideas even. I'm looking forward to having another bar live with Glamour and Chloe. We're figuring that out because, again, lots of changes happening, especially for Chloe right now. If you were at the last bar at her graduation special, you have seen that. So we'll just have to figure out how and when we can have our bar lives. It's never been on I guess it used to be on a pretty specific schedule, but it hasn't really been that this year, and that's largely due to our, schedules and all of us having lives and things going on. So, but I do look forward to doing more of that, and then we'll see what else we come up with. So, again, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your business is going well, and if it's not, just know that we're kind of all going through it. I mean, a lot of us at least, I think, are going through it, and I don't have a good answer to that. I don't have the magical solution. If I did, I would apply it. But I hope that you're doing well and that you're taking care of yourself, and if you feel like you need to take time for yourself and time away from whatever it is you got going on in your life, if there's anything where you can say, okay, I can take some time off of that and it's not going to be the end of the world, then I highly recommend you do that for your own, sanity. So I will see you guys soon. I'm about to get into work here, and have a wonderful weekend, I guess, if I can get this video up today or tomorrow, and that's bad. Cheers.